Guten Tag! And hello everyone! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. This month, the whole month of April, we're learning about Austria. Come along with us. This week's song is a greeting song that you could sing to somebody when you meet them in the morning. Let's turn on those listening ears and hear how it goes. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Great! So let's break that down together. This song means, good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you today? All right, so good morning in German or Austrian is Guten Morgen. Can you say that with me? Guten Morgen. Good. So when we sing it, Guten Morgen, the next line is Wie geht es dir? Can you say that with me? Wie geht es dir? Good. So it sounds like this. Ready? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Good. Good morning, how are you? And then we repeat those words, but it sounds a little bit different. Let's listen. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? See how it's a little bit lower than the first line? Let's try those lines together, okay? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Great! Then we add on one more time. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Back to the higher line. Okay, let's try all three of those lines together from the top. A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Great, so there's just one more line to the song. Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Can you say that with me? Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Good, and that means, how are you today? Great. All right, so when we sing that last line, it sounds like this. Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Great. All right, should we try it all the way from the top together slowly? A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Excellent! Great job, everyone. All right, should we try it one more time, all together from the top, a little bit faster? And if you want, you could add some waves. And how are you today? Open your hands. How are you today? All right, let's try it. A one, a two, eins, zwei, drei. Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Guten Morgen, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Awesome! Well done, everyone! Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Austrian in April. Bye, everyone! Auf Wiedersehen!